In this episode, we want to talk about the environment dialog window, and basically you can open the environment dialog window from here in the logical workspace and also in the physical workspace. It's the same place. You can open it from here. This is the environments dialog window. The first thing that we have in the environments dialog window is the location. Basically, we can browse to two different locations that we have in the physical workspace. The different containers that we have, the default ones are these ones, the intercity, home city, corporate office, and the main wiring closet. And we have the ability to browse to each one of them and to be able to view all of the environment variables for that container. The next thing that we have is the current time. This is a time that is different from the time that's running in the network simulation mode. It is decoupled from the network simulation mode. This time runs about 30 times faster than network simulation mode, and this is of course a modeling limitation because it will put a lot of computational load on the computer, so that's why this time is a bit more faster, much more faster than the network simulation time. The next thing that we have is the environment values tree. This is a tree that we can browse through and we can see different types of environment variables that we have available for us to monitor and see. And if I click on any of these environment variables, I will be able to see a chart. But before that, maybe we can use this search functionality as well. Let's use it for temperature. And if I search, as you can see, I have the ambient temperature available to me. That's an easier way to find wherever chart that you want to view. Now let's reset this search and go to ambient temperature. I have clicked on the ambient temperature. Now as you can see, there's a chart for me. This is the name of the variable that I'm trying to see the chart for. This is a time range, so I have a time range of about 1 minute, 1 hour, 6 hours, or 1 day. And also this is a time range for me so that I can browse the time manually, a bit more granular with the browsing in here. And we have a series of values that are shown on this chart. We have the current, the keyframe values, the transparent things, the transference rate, and the things rate. The current refers to the current environment value, and the transference rate is the rate of the change contribution to the current environment. The keyframe value is the keyframe contribution to the current environment, and the things rate is the total rate of change to the current environment from things that affect the environment and the workspace container. So if we are not in the intercity, the parent is the current value of the parent container. So for home city, it's intercity. Corporate office, it will be home city. And last but not least, if I click on always on top, then this window will always stay on top no matter whatever I do here in Packet Tracer. This window will not disappear. That's it for this episode, everyone. I hope this has been informative for you, and I would like to see you in the next episodes where we go into more details of environment. Stay tuned.